Today is all about nourishing your immune system and boosting your well-being with the Healthy Chef range of nourishing, warming, restorative blends. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our beverage range, a hot, warm, delicious beverage range. They're all gluten-free, they're all sugar-free, they're all dairy-free and vegan and completely good for you. That's the great thing about our naked chocolates. That's the great thing about our organic matcha tea, our turmeric latte and our chai latte. They're pure, delicious, just as nature intended. And I just want to tell you a little bit about them and how to make them. A lot of people ask us the difference between our dark chocolate and our milk chocolate. Well, the dark chocolate is a beautiful, rich European style of cocoa powder. So it's rich and creamy, it's delicious. It's like drinking a 70% beautiful eating chocolate, and it's delicious. It's sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, and really, really yummy. We've got a bit of carob in here. We've also got maca powder. We've got some cinnamon and some vanilla as well, which gives it that beautiful finishing touch. Now, our milk chocolate, on the other hand, it's a lot lighter. We use raw cacao powder in our milk chocolate. You'll see the difference in the color, and the taste profile is very different as well. It's slightly sweeter due to the little bit of the carob that's in here as well. And we've got lucuma in here, so it's very nurturing and nourishing. We've even got some cinnamon and some vanilla in here as well. So two different styles of chocolate. You can drink them both hot and cold, and I just want to show you how easy it is to make. Now, I've got a few teaspoons of the dark chocolate in this cup. And what I want to do is just add a little bit of hot water, and I want to just give it a bit of a mix. So I like to mix mine just with a bit of water first, and I love to use a matcha whisk for this too because it's nice to combine. And then I've just heated up, I've got some almond milk here, and I've just heated up some almond milk in my little milk frother, and I'm pouring this over the top. Look at that, beautiful, gorgeous, little bit of chocolate over the top. Now you can sweeten that to your taste. So I normally add a little bit of honey or a little bit of maple syrup, or sometimes nothing because it doesn't need anything anyway. But this is how I love to drink it. So a little bit of hot water first, and then you can top it up with your choice of plant-based milk. I've just used a nice little almond milk here that I love to use in the office. Now, with the matcha, this is very, very cool. So 1 spoon of matcha green tea. Now, the great thing about our matcha green tea is that it's completely vegan, it's completely sugar-free, it's high in antioxidants. They say that 1 spoonful of matcha tea is equivalent to 10 cups of green tea. So that's really, really potent. So you're drinking the actual tea leaves of the green tea, which is really, really high in polyphenols, antioxidants, really good for your immune system. And you'll actually be able to see, because ours is ceremonial grade and certified organic, the green color is spectacular. So unlike the food grade matches that you get out there as well. So it gives you a nice, beautiful energy boost. And to make your matcha tea as well, same sort of thing. Just pour in a little bit of hot water. Give it a nice little mix. Now you can sweeten this to taste as well. And then I've got my beautiful dairy-free milk over the top. Yum. And that is exactly how I like to drink my matcha tea. It's warm and creamy and nourishing. And I have that in place of a coffee in the morning, and it gives me a burst of energy and makes me feel fantastic. So this is the matcha. Fantastic. Now I want to tell you a little bit about our beautiful turmeric latte, our golden milk. This is exactly the same. It's completely sugar-free, it's vegan, it's dairy-free, high in antioxidants and polyphenols. It's very anti-inflammatory. It's fantastic for supporting the immune system and also gut health. And it's certified organic, and it's totally delicious. I just want to show you how easy it is to make. It's a spoonful of this into your favorite cup. And then I just love to add a little bit of hot water just to mix it through. And I like to sweeten it with a little bit of honey or a little bit of maple. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of maple in here, but you don't have to sweeten it at all if you don't want to. And then last but not least, I've got some gorgeous hot almond milk here, and I'm just going to pour this through, and you'll see it's beautiful, it's rich, it's nurturing. And just to finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon. And this is how to make the perfect turmeric latte that's nourishing for your body as well. This is our beautiful, gorgeous chai latte. The great thing about this, it's not only sugar-free and vegan and dairy-free and gluten-free and everything else in between, but we use a beautiful, pure rooibos extract in here. So it's water extracted, it's rooibos tea from South Africa, and it's so nurturing. It's high in polyphenols, really fantastic for supporting your immune system. And we've also put in some cinnamon and some ginger, a little bit of cardamom in here as well, and a tiny bit of star anise, but it's delicious and it's nurturing. Same thing, I'm gonna show you how to make it. I just put a little bit of hot water in here just to get it started. And I also like to sweeten it with a little bit of honey or a little bit of organic maple. So give that a little bit of a stir through. And then I love to finish it off with gorgeous hot almond milk or your choice of milk. Look at that, amazing. And then just dusting it with a tiny little bit of organic cinnamon. And there you have it, my beautiful, gorgeous chai latte. All three blends are fantastic. Chai latte, turmeric latte, matcha green tea, naked hot chocolate. Enjoy and be nourished and support your immune system.